Hi, Joe Cerrone.
And Al Rosen.
Welcome to CAD-116 Basic AutoCAD Online in our weekly Zoom meeting. Al has posted Module 8, which is on utility commands, obtaining information about drawings. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about the post here, Al?
Certainly. What it does, we are giving you a drawing, and we're going to be able to show you how to take an inquiry on how to find out what it is the distance from one point to another point to another point until you complete the room area. And that will give you the size and space of your distance of your rooms, including outside areas, inside areas, and also if there's something post inside of it or in the corner.
So there's two drawings, and you're to choose the architectural or the mechanical drawing. The architectural drawing here is taken from an AutoCAD certification exam. And we've included the instructions here. So here's a video for it. Hi, Joe Cerrone. I'm just gonna. And so there's a downloadable file that Al and I put together over the summer, and it goes through how to go through and analyze this drawing. I'm getting a little bit of latency here, but here it goes. And so we'll use the area command, and the video shows you how to calculate the area of a room. Right, Al?
Yes. Then you go inside. You go inside the closet. You can leave the closet out if you want to. Depends how you're looking at it.
Yeah, these certification exams, what they do is they have you analyze the drawings, and if the square footage is right, then you've drawn the floor plan correctly. Other things that they're good for is for being able to calculate out like square footage, so you can estimate how much your flooring costs would be. So that's one video. And then the second video, and I'm not sure if this one's the one that we wanted to do, Al. We'll have to double check on that because it doesn't look like the gasket.
No, that's not the one. It's what it is. You put that in so they can see how the rest of the inquiry and also hatch patterns and everything else to flow in with this module.
Okay.
That's you can do this. It's just some information for it. That's all.
Yeah, let's check this one here then. And so this one just links to the AutoCAD website with some information on that information. All right.
To go back to contents, I believe there's one in there for the gasket.
So the drawing exercise, the mechanical drawing, and I've downloaded it and opened it. If you decide to do the mechanical, what you need to do is you need to draw this gasket, and then you need to analyze the gasket information so that you can answer the inquiry questions. And so if we look at, I believe it's this one. No, I'll come back to it. So here's the inquiry questions for the architectural. And so the total area in square feet of all bedrooms is closest to. And what you would do is you would go through and use the area command, and then you calculate that. And what we tell people, students, to do is you can just write this in on the CAD drawing. And so if I switch over to my AutoCAD, there we are. What you would do is you would go through and use this measure area command. And then we would go through and calculate out these different areas for each of the rooms. You don't want to just go through the outside border of the floor plan and just come up with a number. And so if we go through and we say, okay, our area here, okay, in square feet would be 104 square feet, excluding the closet. And so as we go through and work these exercises, that would be what we're looking for in analyzing these drawings. The other one is this gasket drawing. And there should be the same information where it's an AutoCAD certification manual, and it will ask you inquiry questions like calculate the area of the gasket with the holes removed. And there's also a video for that as well. So with that, I'm going to switch back over to my web browser. And I'm going to come back here. Okay. All right. And then if we look at the contents tab, and module 8, here's the information, here's the plan drawing, here's the other plan drawing, here's the gasket, and here's the gasket information. And then here's the inquiry problems for those drawings. Okay. All right. Anything else that we want to talk about before we end the video, Al?
Yes, go down a little bit further, please. Slide down. Keep going. You see brown words. See a sentence on there you go right there. This will be working on module 8 from now until 12/3. And what's nice about it is it's going to give us a 2-week span of working on it. So that gives you a lot of time. We'd like to get it back by the 3rd of December.
Right. So with the holidays coming next week and with all the things going on, it's not a real heavy workload. We're kind of winding down. We typically cover 10 modules in the basic CAD course. And then the reading assignments are here. So if you want to take a look at the chapter objectives, here's our module 15 chapter objectives. And this is the link to the textbook. I can log in here. And it'll go through and provide you with the information you need to know for learning how to calculate and work with inquiry commands like area. I was glitching a little bit before. It looks like my browser's working now where I can actually increase the magnification. So things are getting better, Al.
Right, that's all.
Yeah, the tech is tough to run these days, I'm telling you. Okay. All right, with that, if there's anything else that we need to add, we'll update it on the main splash page and notify you. If there's anything else I need to cover in this, Al, before I end the recording and open things up for students' questions, let me know. I'll hear.
Just make sure to understand that as of next week, we'll not have a video conferencing meeting that day for classroom, but it will be also online. So you're all set, and you can also send us emails, and it will be available on emails.
Right. So enjoy the holiday next week. If there is anything you need, instant message us, and then we'll start to wrap things up after Thanksgiving holiday. All right, I'm going to stop the video or stop the recording.